Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at this Xbox WHiTE controller. Sorry, to be honest with you, I really have no idea what the name of this controller is. Is it white? Is it glacier white? To me, I just call it as it is. It's white, it's not black, it's not red, it's not blue, it's not purple. It's sure ain't green. But you know how sometimes they're like, oh no, that's not white. That's, Arctic white. That's glacier white. White is white and black is black and purple is purple and blue is blue. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Also, they don't say if this is a Xbox One controller. Obviously, it has to be an Xbox One because it doesn't say Xbox 360 on there. But it would be nice because all it says is just Xbox. It would be nice if it said Xbox One or Xbox One S, which I think One S still uses it. Don't know what the Scorpio is going to use. Xbox Scorpio or Scorpion, because that's supposed to be the new one to come out to be right along the side of Sony's PlayStation 5. Which PlayStation 5, the console wise, doesn't look that great. I mean, it looks smaller than regular PS5, not PS5, but PS4 and stuff. But the shape of it just looks a little odd. I mean, the Xbox Scorpio, yeah, it's kind of still like Xbox, I would say. But compare the Scorpio to the PS5, if I did get one, I'll probably get the PS5. Because a lot of content come out on there first. But then again, it depends on the price and the features. This one has this one's memory, this one, can play 4K, this one's backwards compatible and stuff. This one's like $2,000, this one's like only $250, price points and stuff, and what they have and what they don't have for features. So, yeah. But definitely it would be nice, like I said, if they did say something like Xbox One to kind of let you know what's up. Also, a name, like, for the color. All I'm going off is this clearance sticker here that says, XB1, so Xbox One, so I guess it is a Xbox One, or at least that's well, I'm taking it off of the sticker here. And then it says white controller. So Xbox One white controller. Now here it does say Xbox One Windows. So yeah, there's that. And it says Windows 10. There's Windows 7, Windows 8.1. So what you get in the box? Controller and two AA batteries. Actually, let me tell that bottom here. No, it doesn't say the color on the bottom. It just says, and this doesn't say anything, it just shows you what your controller looks like, so. Yeah, let's open this up and tell it. How the heck did they tape this? So we get, open up, put the batteries in, turn it on. Turn on the Xbox on your PC. Hit the pair and sync button. And let it do its thing. Hit that, let it do its thing. Pair and sync. Turn it on. Insert your headphones in there or in here, which Oh wow, you can tell this is definitely the newer updated Xbox controller. And let me fold this up and show you what I mean. Like, let me go ahead and grab a pair of headphones. Because this is something that I did not suspect. So, because with this one, as you can see, you cannot put headphones in it. You have by this, the little keyboard, to slot in there. After you slot the keyboard in there, then you have that little pin down there that you could then insert your headphones into. Like that. But to insert your headphones into this Xbox One controller, you had to buy this because of that little pin system right there to insert into here. Which was a stupid design flaw. Now with this one, you could clearly see you have that and you have your headphone jack. So you could just plug this in and you're good to go. Now, can you still plug your keyboard in here? Well, keyboard's in, as you can see. And you still could plug your headphones in there, type, but I really love it that you don't need this keyboard to insert your, headphones in there. Here's the batteries. That's in there. Does say Xbox on there. Still don't know why it doesn't say Xbox One. Got okay fill, triggers, stats, button layout. Pretty good, pretty good. What else we get here? We get a Xbox Game Pass. Redeem code for 14-day free trial or 100 great games. New Xbox exclusives. One low monthly price. And then we get a code for Xbox Live Gold, which is a 14-day trial. So both Xbox and Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold is 14 days for both of them, which is not bad. Not really sure what the heck this is. Then of course, usual manual, which doesn't tell you, it's just warranty guide. But here's something that's, I don't know, gets both a blessing and a curse for Microsoft Xbox users. Xbox is still using AA batteries. Just like remember Game Boy Advance and Game Boy Color, how those were using AA batteries? And the AA batteries only last like, what, about 4 hours max, and then you gotta swap them out. While, PlayStation and Nintendo Switch and everyone else is using an eternal battery. So, blessing and curse. Blessing, you could control dies, swap out batteries, Curse, it's running off of AA batteries. You gotta swap them out every 4 hours. So if you're playing good old Call of Duty section or Ghost Recon or now Borderlands 3 or something, you'll be going through like about a pack to 2 packs of batteries within a day to maybe a week. And hey, you see the prices of batteries? Yeah. So I don't know why they just didn't say, hey, put a cord in, charge it up. Now I do know that you can buy external like charging pack cords type of batteries, like for example this, you know, where you get these batteries to replace your AA's, and then the cord to charge them up, which is a great idea. Just don't know why they just didn't do it in the first place, like how PlayStation did it. I mean, PlayStation, you know, your Microsoft users gotta give PlayStation a little bit of credit, because PlayStation, internal battery, your headphone jack's already pre-built in there. This, you have to buy a certain controller, or you have to buy this to use your headset, and then you always have to be using batteries, or you have to go out and hunt down and buy something like this to get those type of batteries. So, yeah. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of the Xbox One WHiTE controller. Remember to hit the notification bell, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.